Hi, everybody, and welcome to Rhythmix 61. Let's start with the warm up. Pose, circle, one more time, and feet together. The other side. Very good. Circle, and feet together. Now, push, stretch. So up, and now dynamic, go up and down. Stay up. Very good. To the front, exhale. Now, switch, the other place. Go up and down. Hold. To the front. Okay, let's start. Step balance. And chassé. March. Very good. One more time. Step balance. Chassé. Now you have to move to the lateral. Walk. To the front. Mambo back. Chassé. Very good. One more time. Balance. To the front. Back. Yes. Again. Go. Watch. Easy. Spider side to side. Balance. You got it. Go. Spider. Now to the front and back to the diagonal. Yes. Come forward. Woo. One more time to the front. Yes. Are you ready to add some arms? Go down and up, down and up. And head. You got it. Go. Close. Head. Two more times. Let's go. Last time for everybody. Are you ready for the new part? Just tap, tap, tap. March. You got it. Tap. March. Now we use some arms. Circular arms. Very relaxed. And ready, go. And mambo. Woo. Again. Tap with arms. Very good. Are you ready to turn? Tap. Turn. Very good. One more time. Turn. Okay. From the top. Are you ready? Balance. Down and up. Mambo back. Chassé. Spider. Single tap. Mambo turn. Very good. Repeat from the top. Enjoy. Second part. Turn. Very good. Second part again. Tap. Watch now. Turn. Single lunge side to side. March. Tap. Turn. Lunge. March. We have to add some arms. Very easy. Close and open. And stop. Yes, tap. Turn. Lunge. Close and open. And stop. Woo! One more. We have to complete now arms. Punch, two, circle. Go up. Tap. Very good. Punch, circle and stretch. Down and up. Again. Go deep. Put your hand on the floor. Come back. The other side. Down and up. Relax and stretch. Go deep. Turn. Come back. From the top. Balance. Mambo. Chassé. Spider. Tap. Mambo turn, lunges, combination, from the top, step. Yes, you got it. Now, second part. Mambo turn, lunges, combination, last time. Woo! Very good. Second part. Lunges. Be ready for the final pose.